Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to have another product review and I will be sharing to you, pinadala to sa atin from LEL Beauty PH. So they have Instagram account, Facebook, and as well as TikTok account. So today I'm super excited in sharing this to you and a bit background of LEL Beauty PH. If you're going to check the Instagram account, meron silang nilagay na LEL Beauty products are paraben-free, cruelty-free, and I super love this because it's in their bio, woman supporting woman, and it's paraben-free and cruelty-free. So I'm good with it. By the way guys, if I'm saying I'm going to try these products, it is given to me, but as you always knew, if you're watching a lot of my videos, I always say what I have to say. It doesn't matter if it was given to me or I bought it. I always tell what I really wanted to tell, especially product reviews. Always remember that this is an honest review. So without further ado, i-open na natin. Yan. So meron sila dito, hello beautiful, merong love letter. Presentation pa lang sa packaging. So good job LEL Beauty and good job on being paraben-free and cruelty-free. First of all, I would like to commend their packaging. Hindi siya mumurahin. Tingnan. And you will be shocked. And I'm seeing, ang ganda ng packaging nila kasi cute at the same time. Parang classy, super classy. So, ito siya. Meron sila palang pinadala na 4 na shade, which is LKL, Coffee Break, Dreamer, and Gotta Go. Tingnan natin dito yung Gotta Go. Gotta Go is parang, guys, tingnan nyo naman. I don't know. Grabe, ang ganda, ang cute. Tingnan nyo. Ilang ml ba to? 3 ml. Ilalagay ko na lang yung price dito. And guys, they're having a sale. Buy one, take one. Chinek ko yung Instagram nila. Stalker ang pek. Ito pala guys, yung first Gotta Go, parang bold red. Ito naman si Me, parang violet, vampy vibe. Dreamer. Excited to try all of this. I need to check this coffee break. Coffee break. I need coffee right now. I'm super sleepy. And by the way, guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, yung coffee break, parang nude. Excited na akong mas-watch. By the way, guys, their Facebook page is LEL Beauty and Instagram is LEL Beauty PH. Ito yung Dreamer. Ah, hala, akala ko gano'n. Meron palang. Ang ganda, in fairness LEL Beauty, ang super ganda. I haven't seen any packaging like this. Super ganda. Kudos. Nasyaka ko kasi akala ko roll. Ano pala siya? Ganito siya, guys. Ito yung Dreamer. That's the Dreamer. And LKL ang next nating ilalagay. Oh, super red. LKL. Next will be Gotta Go. Oh, parang orange. Gotta Go. Ito yun si Gotta Go. Parang orange. And last but not the least, Coffee Break. So, I think ang Coffee Break, mai-inlove ako nito. Parang shining, shimmery. Ganun. Di ako magaling sa swatches, guys. Pagpasensyaan nyo na. Oh, ganyan siya. Woohoo! By the way, this is their HD Diamond Tint. Merong nakalagay dito, it's a mask-proof, long-lasting, one-swipe loud, which is, I can attest, kasi ang super pigmented paglagay mo pa lang, grabe yung kulay. Ultra stain, non-sticky finish, no bitter taste, paraben-free. Nahan natin si Coffee Break. Nakita ba? In fairness, ang color panalo. Anong masisay nyo sa kanya? Ang ganda ng color ng Coffee Break. Wala siyang bitter taste, guys. At ang gaan niya sa lips. Tanggalin muna natin yung first coffee break. Next nating is a swatch. Dreamy. Oh. Sexy, sultry. Ito yung dreamy. Yan, ang dreamy. Guys, if maglalagay kayo nito, kontian nyo lang. Ano kasi siya? HD tint. Pwede tong gamitin sa cheeks din. But today, ano lang tayo, nag-blush on na kasi tayo. Hindi muna natin siya aanuhin yung highlights natin kasi maganda. Mag-swatch muna tayo. Dreamy, dreamy, dreamy. Magko-combine tayo later. Next nating isa swatch is... naglilip siya ng stain. Hala. Paano niya yan? Pulang-pula na yung lips ko. LEL Beauty na LKL. This is a bit toned down. Yung kanina, parang super red siya. Bloody red. Ito naman, toned down na red. Parang siyang a hint of orange. I swear, maganda siya. Yan, Laishu. And next, hindi pa natin nasa swatch yung Gotta Go. I bet, mabibet ko rin tong Gotta Go. Kasi parang summer siya. Meron pa rin siyang hint ng red. Kaya, pang matagalan to guys. If you're going to use it, konti lang yung lagay nyo, besh, kasi okay naman talaga yung color. Kinapalan ko lang talaga siya para makita nyo directly kung ano yung makapal na application para sa color niya. And last na hindi pa natin na swatch is ang Gotta Go. Give it a go. Gotta Go. Ito orange. Gusto ko to. Pero dinamihan ko to just for the sake of Gusto ko tong Gotta Go at saka coffee break. Gotta Go. So, punta na tayo sa what's difference. Guys, kung gusto niyo yung mga neutral, I would prefer the coffee break. Ito siya. And gusto niyo summer, sa beach. Actually, lahat naman talaga sila. Pero yung nagbibigay talaga ng summer vibe sa akin, itong Gotta Go, which meron siya talaga siyang orange. Orange talaga siya. Parang nag-red lang siya kasi na-combine. Ang dami ko na na-combine. Tapos, ito yung subtle red and super red nito. So, kung ang kulay lang ang pagbabasihan, ito from tone down to super duper na color, papuntang red. Nude, parang nudish, everyday look, and then papunta sa ganun na color. Hindi ko mag-get over yung packaging niya. Ang cute. And ang ganda. Super classy. Right now, gusto ko talagang itry kung ano yung combination niya. Nag-red na kasi siya. Sapawan natin ng coffee break. Parang siyang candy. Yan. Combination ng dreamer. Oh, bongga. At saka, gamitin natin sa Gotta Go. Sa ating, try natin sa ating cheeks. As blush. Konti lang. Nag-highlighter na tayo pero okay lang. Hala, uy, ang ganda. Dagdagan pa na. Ay, ang dami na tuloy. Hala, naparami yung lagay ko, besh. Ay, pero in fairness, blendable naman siya. Meron akong foundation pero hindi siya nag-stick ng bongga, ha? Yan. So, ito na siya, guys. Bet na bet ko talaga si coffee break. Kasi alam nyo naman na nude yung gusto ko. And yung ginamit ko sa aking cheeks is ang Gotta Go. So, here it is, guys. My final thoughts about this is that you need to apply a thin layer lang of this product because it's super pigmented already. Huwag niyong gayahin yung ginawa ko na super dami ng swipe. Ginawa ko lang yon just for the sake of the swatches. But I would really suggest if you're going to use this, a little goes a long way. Grabe. Super pigmented niya, guys. And I suggest konti lang yung ilagay nyo and then let it set for a few seconds or a minute or so. Ang gusto ko is that akala ko talaga magsistain siya ng bongga paglagay ko looking at the formula, but then I was so shocked kasi ang dali niyang i-blend. Hindi ako nahirapan and walang parang marka yung namumuumuom ba. Yan. Seamless lang yun. Ginamit ko lang yung kamay ko. I-suggest talaga na konti lang para madali siyang mag-dry. Ito nga nag-dry na siya. So, kasi manipis na yung ngayon na layer na nilagay ko. Kanina kasi, ang kapal-kapal. So far for me, it really does the job. Ang ganda talaga ng mga shades niya, guys. Update ko kayo sa price. Basta yung price, nandito siya. And, buy one, take one sila ngayon, guys. So, grab the opportunity. Ang ganda niya. Dalhin wherever you go. Tapos, parang royalty ang dating. Nakakano talaga yung packaging plus the product itself na maganda siya. And I support because this is a cruelty-free and paraben-free. And wala talagang bitter taste, guys. I can attest you that. Minsan lang, nagtra-transfer siya sa teeth ko kasi yun nga, please, wag nyong kapalan ng paglagay kasi LEL goes along the way na. So, basta super sulit niya kasi konti lang ilagay nyo, super pigmented na siya. So, that's it. I hope you enjoy the swatches and my final thoughts about this. Thank you so much, LEL Beauty. I was so amazed by your packaging and the pigmentation of your product. And for me, this is a nice product. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye for now. See you soon. God bless. Sarang